going to do my makeup. And I stole it from my mommy.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I hope Mommy doesn't find out.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
We're going to put everything together. This is a nail polish. It's a glitter nail polish. The other one I like. It's teal. Is it a nail polish?
Okay, I guess this is.
There, time for the makeup. So first, I think you're supposed to put blush on. That's what I'm pretty sure you're supposed to. It's really hard to put on the blush, I'm pretty sure. That a lot of that looks pretty. Need more. So the color I'll be using is this one. It looks really pretty. Wait, it comes in an own brush. What's the way I have to do it? This. Want me to use it? Showing up a little bit. Show me a little bit more. Looks good. Need more cheeky rosy red. I think I need a little bit more. There we go. I want to add a lot so my reds are really cheeky. I'm going to close my eyes so I don't get it on my eyes. You kids can do it, I guess. Not this. I know that I know how to do makeup. I still don't want to. So that'll be enough. You can do more if you want. Okay, next up, I think you're supposed to do lipstick. Next is the lipstick. It's so hard to choose. Let me check out this one. Let's check. Do you guys like this color? I don't. It's too dark. Let's try out this one. It looks pretty good. No, it's too dark. Here, let's try this one now. It looks really nice. It looks pretty, but I think it's not the right color. I think I don't really want shimmering nail polish and lipstick. This is called lipstick. Too shimmery. I don't want shimmery nail polish. I want a regular pretty color. This one I didn't steal it from my mom once, but it's a really messy. Come on, my fingers. Go. Let's turn it here. But that's too lipsticky. That's all on my hands now. I'm pretty sure it's fine. Do you guys like this? I don't really like the color. Let's try the last one. I'm pretty sure I like it. And it's perfect! Next is eyeshadow. I really like this. Let me check how I look. Wow, beautiful. Okay, next is eyeshadow. I'm pretty sure this is eyeshadow. It looks really hard to put. Which way is it? This way. Okay. I'm gonna do this one. Now the next eye. Get some right there. Pretty sure that's the color. And I'm pretty sure I am done. Now I'm going to open my eyes and check if it's good. Looks good. It's kind of itching my eyes. Okay. Next, let's comb my hair. I don't really take a long time because the shorter your hair, the faster you have to comb. It's gonna do really good. Yeah, mine, but it's not really. I'm just doing makeup, not really doing my hair. Okay, and finished. Now let's do the nail polish. Now it's time for nail. I think I'll do this shiny pink. I can't choose in this pink and this pink. This pink is better, it's shiny. And this glitter or the teal. They look perfect together.
Shivani, where are you?
Oh,
Shivani, why did you take all my makeup here?
just to do some makeup. Do I look beautiful?
You look so pretty.
I was just about to do my nail
What
polish.
did you put?
I put blush, lipstick, and eyeshadow.
Our mommies have to help kids. I'll help you with the...
With the nail polish, I'm really good. I'll open it up, I think. Good. So, then I'm going to add this shiny pink. Don't I look beautiful? I just love me. Okay, so I think I want a braid. So, Mommy, can you help me with my braid?
What type of hairstyle you want?
I want like braids.
How?
Pretty braid. Like big, like these big, this big.
In one side?
I want this, I want like two, like just two of these, That would be it. And in this, and nearby, and here I want to clip, and here I want to clip after done. Or I can do on my braids. I want maybe on my braids actually up here. There. So this is how I look. Don't I look beautiful?
Okay, what all you put, Shivani? Can you look?
First I did the blush, this kind, and then I'm pretty sure I did lipstick, and then I'm pretty sure I did nail polish, and then I'm pretty sure I did this, and then I did necklace, and then I did my hair, and I did two braids.
Dried up?
I think so. Yep. Try the other one.
Okay, show me your face. Look here. Look in the phone and show your face. What all you put?
Don't I? So I put it blush,
Look in the phone.
the lipstick, the eye thing, the eyeshadow, and the lipstick, and the makeup, and the necklace. Beautiful me. Okay. Bye everyone. Please subscribe to my channel and give it a thumbs. Don't give it a thumbs up. And click the bell button.